Ask. Ask. I had to ask my teacher for help. Athlete. Athlete. She was an athlete. Breakfast. Breakfast. I like to eat eggs for breakfast. Business. Business. He started a business. Candidate. Candidate. Each candidate had to introduce themselves. Certificate. Certificate. She received her graduation certificate. Chaos. Chaos. The car accident caused traffic chaos. Chocolate. Chocolate. I love to eat chocolate. Clothes. Clothes. I have many clothes. Comfortable. Comfortable. The new sofa was comfortable. Comment. Comment. I left a comment on the YouTube video. Coupon. Coupon. The coupon was for a free drink. Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumbers are green. Cupboard. Cupboard. The cupboard was full. Debt. Debt. She was in debt. Dessert. Dessert. Cheesecake was his favorite dessert. Especially. Especially. I enjoy eating cake, especially chocolate cake. Escape. Escape. She went on holiday to escape her job. February. February. I moved house in February. Film. Film. I love to watch my favorite film. Fruit. Fruit. I always pick the fruit off the tree. Genre. Genre. Comedy is my favorite genre. Height. Height. The doctor measured my height. Interesting. Interesting. Adventure books are very interesting. Jewellery. Jewellery. I love to buy jewellery. Library. Library. He likes to study in the library. Mischievous. Mischievous. She was mischievous. Mortgage. Mortgage. She had to pay off her mortgage. Niche. Niche. Each species occupies a niche in the community. Often. Often. I often visit my friends. Pizza. Pizza. We eat pizza every Saturday. Plumber. Plumber. The plumber was fixing the sink. Poem. Poem. I love to write poems. Police. Police. The police were there to help. Probably. Probably. She probably didn't understand. Queue. Queue. We had to wait in the queue. Quote. Quote. Motivational quotes inspire me. Receipt. Receipt. The cashier gave me a receipt after I bought some clothes. Recipe. Recipe. The recipe for making a cake is very easy. Regime. Regime. I had to follow a strict exercise regime. Relevant. Relevant. When applying for a job, you should have relevant work experience. Sour. Sour. The food was sour. Status. Status. The status of a doctor is very high. Sweet. Sweet. He owned a private suite. Tuesday. Tuesday. It is Tuesday tomorrow. Vegetable. Vegetable. Vegetables are very tasty. Vehicle. Vehicle. He drove his vehicle very fast. Video. Video. I always record videos on my phone. Wednesday. Wednesday. We start school on Wednesday. Women. Women. The women were kind.